Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with fast, decisive checks so you don't chase the wrong problem. First, confirm the server IP, port, and Minecraft version match your client. Mismatches cause timeouts. Next, restart your router and your PC to clear stale NAT or DNS caches. Then, momentarily disable firewall or antivirus rules to test connectivity. This isolates whether security software blocks the handshake. Once done, re-enable protections and note results so you know if the issue is network or local. Now dig into the router and NAT layer because most timeouts stem from blocked inbound connections. Assign a static LAN IP to the server so port forwarding stays valid. Configure port forwarding for the Minecraft port, default 25,565 to that static IP, or enable UPnP to let the host register ports automatically. If NAT remains stubborn, temporarily place the server in a DMZ to test. Also check ISP level CNAT. If present, you'll need a VPN. Finish by verifying end-to-end. Try the server from another client and from an alternate network like a phone hotspot so you separate client, LAN, and ISP issues. Inspect server logs for timeouts, authentication errors, or Java network flags. Adjust memory and Java. Net. Prefer IP4 stack equals true if IP6 causes trouble. Restart the Minecraft service and router after changes. If problems persist, recheck DNS propagation or move to a reliable hosted server. Troubleshooting tip. If you still see timeouts, test with a VPN to rule out ISP filtering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.